Hi entrepreneurs and content creators. In this video we're going to look at what is content creation and how do we do that online. Welcome to African Multi Design. My name is Zanele. If we're meeting for the very first time, this is a channel dedicated to entrepreneurs and content creators where we strive to help you grow your small business online. In this short video, we're going to talk about content creation and content writing and what it is. And if it was me for the very first time, what would I do? Content creation is taking information that you have knowledge of and experience of and putting it on the social media platform. So what do I mean by that? I mean you use your inspirational information that you have, like quotes. You use your entertainment. Maybe you can dance, not like me, but anyway. Or you use education to share the information that you have and in your own way, the way that you interpret it online. So first thing that I would do, I would sign in on Instagram or Twitter or Pinterest, whichever platform that I want to spend 80% of my time on, and I would start following the small business owners. And most of the small business owners, they don't have time to spend on social media, so they do need somebody to help them create content that's more than their product. So I would follow them and I would start engaging with them, and I would start commenting on their posts, and I would start liking their posts, and I would be social with them on these platforms. So if you've chosen Instagram, I would start liking their posts on Instagram, commenting genuine comments, and not just a like and a heart and you move on. Genuinely connect with people. Spend quality time, at least 10 minutes every day on one of these platforms. After a couple of, let's say 2 weeks or so, doing that consistently every week, I would then slide on their DM and I would start chatting to them. But when I offer my value proposition to them, I don't jump in and say, hey, I can create content for you. It doesn't work that way. Life doesn't work that way. You need to court them. You need, like a girl, you can't just jump in and get married. It doesn't work that way. You need to ask them out for a date. Same principle with content creation and trying to help people build their brands. You then say, I see that your page doesn't have a website, or I see that you only post only your products, maybe your clothes or your washing or whatever. I see that you post it every day. Please have a look at my page. I think I can help you. Maybe we can try it for a week and I can do it for you for free. It helps offering your services for free at the beginning of your career. And then you do that a little bit, and then people will start paying for your services, and then you grow your brand. So that's what I would do. And content creation is just have fun on the social media. Have lots of fun and be yourself, because nobody can be you. Thank you for joining me. If I've added value, please smash the like button. And yes, please consider subscribing. And your coach, Zanele, out. I'll see you on the next video.